cook dinner with me. So I'm making some chicken, broccoli Alfredo. Lasagna, you can use any seasonings that you want in your house, but this is what I'm using that's in my pantry. And I have 3 boneless chicken breasts that I cut up, and I'm gonna make sure it's seasoned really well, and then I'm cooking it in some olive oil till it's done, of course. And I just keep constantly stirring it. It can be a little pink, but I wanted to make sure it's done as possible, so when I finish cooking it. Kitchen, see my cat? He follows me everywhere. So now it's about done. Well, it's done. Now I'm going to make my sauce. And I'm going to put some minced onion in there, with some black pepper and some parsley flakes, and some black pepper, and I'm also going to put some fresh parsley in there. So I'm taking my steamed fresh broccoli, gonna cook it in the microwave. So I didn't feel like steaming the actual broccoli. Then I got some mozzarella, parmesan, then some cheddar cheese. Then I got some bacon that's already cooked, but I'm just gonna cook it a little bit on skillet. Put my Alfredo sauce in a pan, season it so it don't be bland. Put the fresh parsley in there. Stir it up all good. Bacon's almost done. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of minced garlic for a little added flavor. Now I added my cheeses to thicken up the sauce so it don't be really runny. But you want to watch it to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Just keep stirring it till it's to the consistency that you want. Now I chopped up my broccoli, and I'm going to add my broccoli and stir it all up together. Now I was today years old. Didn't know that they had oven-ready lasagna pasta that you didn't need to bake. I mean, that you didn't need to boil. You bake it in the oven for 50 to 55 minutes and it cooks. So I was like, wow. But anyway, I put in my sauce at the bottom of the pan. I forgot to spray my pan with oil. I didn't layer my lasagna noodles. Add some more sauce. Don't mind me, I just spilled some on my countertop because I didn't have the pot close enough to the pan. And I'm just spreading it to cover my noodles. I'm gonna add my chicken. Then I'm gonna add some of the cheeses. Throw some of that bacon on there and do my next layer and just keep on doing that. Cooked for 55 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. Then I got some Texas toast. I added some more cheese on it, cooked it in my air fryer for 7 minutes at 400 degrees. And that's what it looks like when it came out the oven, and it was really good. Had to bow on it a little bit. Got me some lemonade. Really good. It's really nice and creamy, very cheesy, easy to make. It'll last you for about maybe 3 days. Maybe an extra day. You can give some to your neighbor. But overall, it was very easy dishwashing. Bye.